Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are going to answer questions about the point-in-time restore function that now is going to happen on most PCs as we get into the Patch Tuesday of July. So a lot of you have noticed that when you go and check out for the point-in-time restore points, one of the things that they have noticed is, why isn't there a button to have my point in time restore be used immediately? So if you look at point in time restore, you notice that there's no buttons or anything that, makes you choose which point in time you want to go to. When you click, there's nothing that happens. And that's because right now, I suspect that the point in time restore is not totally complete. This is why also some areas are grayed out. The point in time restore happens at the troubleshooting page where you go into recovery mode. So when you restart in recovery mode in the troubleshooting options, point in time restore is an option that you can use to go back in time. And for now, it's only there that you can do it. But I suspect that this is going to change at some point, and that the point in time restore will be usable from the panel here, I would guess. So there are things that probably aren't totally complete on this point in time restore. So a lot of people also have noticed that, contrary to System Restore does not touch any user files. It only stays with system files and apps. Well, the point-in-time restore does restore user files, which means that, yes, one of the things it will do is that in between now and the time that you choose here, if you have modified files, if you have new files, and change things around in your folders like documents and so on, they will be reverted back to the state they were at the moment of the image that was created. So that means that your new version, say you have a document, you've modified the document, you're using point in time restore, and you go back to a previous state. Well, all the modifications of that document will be gone. It's the document that was at the time of the point-in-time restore point that will be there. So for some, it might be a problem because you might be losing things by doing that. And so Microsoft recommends that you always have a backup of your files somewhere else or in the cloud, so that to prevent loss of data. So these are some of the things about the point-in-time restore that you should know about and that people have asked questions. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.